In this tutorial, I will explain you three-phase rectifier circuit using universal bridge. For that, I'm browsing my library, and we need three-phase AC source. Okay, and you will find under specialized power system and sources. It is our three-phase source, and we need universal bridge. Okay, this is our universal bridge, and we need some RLC branch, and obviously power GUI. Okay. Okay, and we need voltage measurement block and scope. Okay, that's all I need. And if I double click on three-phase source, let 415 and connect this to ABC, and number of base arms 3 is okay, and power electronics dimension diode as we are rectifying AC to DC, and take L like 1E5, and we need capacitor as I'm making LC filter, and it's like 2. Okay, and we need resistive rounds like 100, and another block. Now make the circuit, and it's okay, and I want to measure voltage at this point. Okay, this is our scope. So all our circuit arrangement is done. Now run this model. Now you can see this is a DC output, though there is some ripple in the output. Now for that you have to tune your LC filter to get the desired smooth DC output. Okay, so this is the way you can do your three-phase rectification using universal bridge. So thanks for today. Thanks for watching.